Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books. Today we'll talk about our book Whai Mai. There are some phrases in Whai Mai which are really excellent for you to learn so that you can be using more Māori language in the playground with children. Whai Mai itself is about copying and following, so you could use that phrase. On the page about the slide, pictured here, we have the words for going up and coming down. Piki ake, heke iho. So that would be a really good way to use more Māori language in the playground, as teachers and parents we could model that. Piki ake, climb up. Heke iho, go down, so the children could then maybe use those words as well. Another example is on the swings page. This would be a really good one because swinging and pushing children on the swing can be a little bit boring sometimes, so add some Māori language to it. For forward, ki mua. For back, ki muri. So you could be standing there saying ki mua, ki muri, ki mua, ki muri. That would help to get the children, because they're already doing actions, to know those words as well. And the last example that I'll give you today is for crossing the bridge. So crossing is whiti atu and hoki mai for coming back. Whiti atu, cross, and hoki mai, come back. Hoki mai is return, come back. It can be used in many ways, and whiti atu is appropriate for that action of crossing over something, particularly a bridge. So there are some words that you can use in the playground with children and encourage them to use those words as well when they're doing those actions. Perhaps you can find more places that you can use those words as well. All the best with that. Ka kite.